Alright, today the job is to replace the starter in the Ranger. Now this is a 2011 400, so it's a mid-sized Ranger, and it's a pretty easy job. I just have to move a few things out of the way to get started. Okay, before I start, I'll talk a little bit about the starter itself. I replaced this once already because it went out, and I'm on my, I guess it'll be the third starter now. I bought this starter on Amazon. It was probably less than $40 when I bought it. I bought it 2 years ago, just a little over 2 years ago. And I'm going to replace it with a similar starter, and the reason for that is brand new Polaris branded starters are ridiculously expensive, and at $40, even if I have to do this every other year, I'm still money ahead. Okay, all of this stuff is located under the front seat, and it's kind of tight quarters. So what I'm going to do to make this easy on myself is I'll remove the air box. I may disconnect the carburetor and just shift that out of the way to give me a little more room to work. And then there is some kind of a breather tube that's in the way. I'll get that off as well. Next, we're going to take this power lead off, but before you do that, don't forget to disconnect the battery. So we're ready to pull the starter out now, and it's held in, you can just see down in here, by two 8mm bolts. So I'll pull those out and bring you back when I get them out. I remember this being tight quarters. I'm gonna try to remove it from the back. All right, out with the old, in with the new. This one matches up, so I'm ready to put it back in. Just a reminder, before you put this starter in, make sure you get that bottom bolt in there, because if you don't, there's not enough room between the belt case and the engine to get the bolt in if you don't do it ahead of time. Let's see how we did. Working just like it's supposed to. I'll close by reminding everybody, don't be afraid to take on these kind of jobs. They're actually pretty simple if you just take your time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.